Hi, today we're going to be experimenting with sodium metal. I bought this sodium metal from a lab in Turkey, and sodium metal is highly volatile when it comes in contact with water. It's shipped in a bottle with some mineral oil and to keep it from getting too volatile just out in the regular air because of humidity, etc. And it's double wrapped in plastic. The person in Turkey took a lot of precaution to make sure this was safe for delivery to the United States. So here's a small piece. So let's just drop it in this water and see what happens when it comes in contact. Piece of metal is on fire and it's going around, it's propelling itself around inside the glass of water. Still burning. Ooh, there we go. Okay. That was that was pretty cool. Now, I didn't bring a knife out here with me, so I'm hoping that this large chunk of the sodium metal, I'm hoping it will be able to be broken by hand, I hope. It's almost like a clay. It's almost like rubber. As you can see, you can mold it. There we go. Broke off a piece. Let's try that in the same water and see what happens. On fire. Whoa. Man, that was extreme. Okay, now we're going to take it up a notch. So, we're going to put the sodium metal into 91% alcohol. Tear off another chunk. Should have brought a knife. So we got a nice little chunk there. Let's try it in the alcohol and see what result we get. It's bubbling far differently, but so far it's not catching fire, which is odd because I would think the alcohol would definitely catch fire more than the sodium metal and water. So far, it looks like it's just bubbling and sinking and dissolving away. It doesn't look like there's any flames whatsoever. Which is far different than the result I thought it would have. Let's add a little bit of water in here and see if we can spice it up. It's getting more of a reaction now. But it looks like still there's too much alcohol and it's not catching fire. I would think the alcohol would make it catch fire even more. But it doesn't look like it's going to. So we're going to go back to the original way and we're going to test it in water. As soon as this is dissolved enough. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to drop in the entire chunk that I have left of sodium metal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.